Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
Welcome to this video on the AI Architect's Playbook. We will explore how to design scalable systems and drive solution architecture by leveraging AI as a powerful tool in your workflow. What is solution design? It is the process of converting raw requirements into a technical blueprint. This is a critical domain for senior engineers and consultants, and I can significantly enhance this process. A web system is composed of several layers: the UI layer for interaction, the API layer for business logic, the database layer for storage, and the integration layer for external services. There is a paradigm shift. Move from a coder's mindset, focusing on syntax and debugging, to a consultant's mindset, using AI to debate stack choices, map modules, and validate architecture. This 7-step workflow bridges the gap between client requests and development execution, taking you from raw requirements to a final blueprint ready for handoff. In the first play, we use AI for tech stack decisions. The real value is in the why, not just the what, providing the rationale needed for client-facing consulting. Play 2 involves a module breakdown. By prompting an AI to decompose a complex system, you can effectively define the logical modules required for a real-time support ticket system. Play 3 focuses on API design and data contracts. These contracts bridge the gap between business requirements and the integration of your front-end and back-end systems. Here are some real-world consulting scenarios, ranging from ticketing and chat systems to real-time tracking, showing how you can tailor architecture and modules to specific project requirements. Finally, remember that junior developers build for 1 user, while senior architects design for 1 million. Use AI to help plan for scalability through techniques like load balancing and sharding.
If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.